Could the global economy collapse in 2025? Debt bubbles and major risks. Imagine this. You wake up one morning to find stock markets crashed, banks halting payments, and food prices skyrocketing. How close is 2025 to such a morning? Today, we'll discuss the three biggest threats facing the global financial system. Because for some economists, this year is just the calm before the storm. As we enter 2025, the world economy is still struggling to recover. The scars of the pandemic haven't fully healed. The Russia-Ukraine war caused permanent supply chain shocks. And on top of this, soaring government debt, entrenched inflation, escalating geopolitical tensions. These are pushing financial instability risks to historic levels. So what are the three key triggers making 2025 so dangerous? Government debt is spiraling out of control. Advanced economies, debt to GDP ratios exceed 130%. Emerging markets, ratios near 250%. Why it matters. High interest rates make refinancing this debt unsustainable. Examples: debt panic in countries like Italy or Japan. Defaults in Africa could trigger domino effects, shaking the financial system. Climate crises are fueling price volatility. A major drought in 2025 could send food prices soaring. Result? Social unrest and political instability. Meanwhile, real estate bubbles in Canada, Sweden, and others risk bursting as rates rise, potentially igniting a 2008-style credit crisis. Elections plus tech risks equals tinderbox. 2025 brings elections in the US, UK, India, and more. Campaigns could fuel populist policies, trade wars, financial deregulation. At the same time, AI-driven algorithmic trading may cause flash crashes worse than 2024's. Rising cyber attacks could crash bank systems, sparking liquidity crises. Worst-case scenario: a sovereign default right-pointing arrow collapse in interbank trust right-pointing arrow real estate plus commodity crises converge equals global recession. But it's not too late. IMF and World Bank must strengthen crisis prevention funds. Central banks need coordinated interest rate policies. Green investments can be a lever for jobs and stability. 2025 will force global finance to confront a new normal. Crises may be inevitable, but being unprepared is not. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more deep dives. I want your thoughts in the comments. Do you see 2025 as a crisis year or a year of opportunities?